Thread safety with template tags. After reading this document about thread safety, I am left feeling that there is something missing in the documentation, or my reading of it, or my reasoning. Let's give a simple example. I understood this code to construct a new instance of the Hello World node class whenever the hello_world tag is used. Other examples involve passing arguments to the constructor, like this. Thus, when hello_world is executed, a new instance of Hello World node is created, and the instance dictionary has an attribute message. This instance surely must be used only for the rendering of only the given instance of the tag, as using it for other renderings would mean that the data bound to it would be incorrect. If this were not the case, the arguments would get mixed up between different uses of the tag. Looking at other examples from the docs, here's a simplified example from here. As this takes data from the tokens passed to the function, the only way that current time node can work is that a new one is instantiated each time do_current_time is invoked. Back to the documentation page, where the dissonance sets in. This is bad. The doc says that two pages using the same tag might then experience race conditions if they both use the same node. I don't understand how two templates rendering could end up sharing the same instance if they both independently instantiate their own. The way to solve this, says the docs, is like this. This appears to index context.render_context with self. The implication of that must be that self is used to identify the instance in one of two ways. Self references one specific instance of the class in the whole system. Self references that class only, and in order to reference the instance a render context is required. If one is true, why not just associate data with self? If two is true, and the render context is associated with the context of the template that is currently being rendered, how is it possible to distinguish between two instances of the template tag on the same page? Is the node instantiated individually each time the tag is invoked? If so, why the concurrency problems? If not, why not?
Got it with closer reading of this. The template is compiled when it is loaded. Any arguments passed into the tag function are static. They are either literal strings, or they are strings which are used as identifiers to look up bound variables in the render context. Therefore the node object is instantiated for each tag, and hangs around ready for use whenever the template is used, and naturally the template may be used in any number of threads. Thus the self in my question is the identity of the specific node within the template. Combined with the render context, this gives a unique identity on which to hang instance variables.
I fjor vant to sin mole, Theatre consider subscribing.